Alright folks, if you're having the problem where your rear brake light is not turning on your Ducati 937 when you press on the front brake and the rear brake, as you can see, turning on, I'm going to show you how to fix that real quickly, easily, and very cheaply. Now the problem is down here, you're going to see when I press the rear brake down, there's this little metal piece right here, and what's happening is it's not touching the sensor right above it. And I'm going to show that to you right now. If you look, now it's working, right? All I'm doing is tapping this up and down, and it's working. So the easiest and quickest and cheapest way to fix that is to just get a little piece of rubber, or anything really, that's sticky on one side, like this, sticky on one side, and shove it in there so that when you press on the rear brake, it touches that sensor, or front brake, it'll also touch that sensor. So let's put it one at a time. Let's put the sticky side down, right there. I just put that one piece in, and that there solves their problem. Take a look. See, rear brake, pressed, and again. Here's the front brake. There we go. Voila, you're welcome.